to combine or merge multiple Excel files to a single file. It was boring task actually, and it can be done either manually, file per file, or by using Excel VBs, and that needs little coding experience. Now it's very easy using this tool, which is called merge Excel file, merge Excel. This one is very easy. Just extract the file. By the way, the link in the video description. Extract the file, open the software. Okay, just click on merge XLS files to single XLS. Now here you go. There's a successful message here, and here you go. Open the file to check. Now it's merged, as you can see. Thank you. See you later.